Let's go through how to coach your client through an incline push-up with a focus on proper core and pelvic floor engagement. This is a great way to build upper body strength while also supporting the deep core, perfect for postpartum recovery, beginners, or anyone working on improving their push-up form. Let's start by getting the client in the right position. They're going to find a sturdy elevated surface like a bench, countertop, or even a wall if they're just starting out. They're going to place their hands shoulder width apart, fingers spread for support. They're going to step their feet back, creating a straight line from the head to the heels. This is their starting position. They're going to engage the glutes and core, keeping the body strong and in neutral alignment. Now, before we move, we do need to activate the core and pelvic floor with the breath. Using proper breathing is key to maintaining core control during push-ups. And we do have a concentric and eccentric component of this lift. The client's going to inhale deeply through the nose, expanding the ribs and belly without flaring the ribs forward. As they exhale, they're going to gently lift and engage the pelvic floor. At the same time, they're going to engage the deep core by drawing the belly slightly in, like zipping up a jacket. They're going to maintain this gentle engagement as they move throughout the push-up. Now let's move into the push-up while keeping that pelvic floor and core engagement. They're going to inhale as they lower the chest toward the surface, keeping the elbows at about a 45-degree angle. They're going to lower with control, making sure the body stays in a straight line with no sagging or arching through the midline. They're going to exhale and press back up to the starting position, keeping the core engaged. We want to make sure that with that inhale, the client is relaxing the pelvic floor, and with the exhale, they are contracting the pelvic floor because we do have that concentric and eccentric component. They're going to repeat this for 6 to 12 reps, depending on the strength level or whatever you have programmed for them.